In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter prepayments in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or have been using it for a while, understanding how to manage prepayments efficiently can make a significant difference in your accounting processes. Let's dive right in so you can breeze through your bookkeeping with confidence. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're in, head to the dashboard where you can see an overview of your accounts and recent activity. Now, what we're going to do first is locate the plus icon. You'll find this icon conveniently positioned at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon reveals several options that allow you to add various transactions. In this case, we're going to focus on receiving money, so go ahead and select the Receive Money option from the drop-down menu. Once you've selected to receive money, it's important to choose the correct bank account where this transaction has occurred. The bank account you select here should match the account that received the prepayment, which keeps your records accurate and organized. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the right account before moving forward. Next, let's direct our attention to the Received As drop-down menu located at the top of this window. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of options for categorizing your income. Since we're dealing with a prepayment, select Prepayment from the list. This designation is crucial because it ensures that the transaction is recorded correctly in Xero, reflecting that it is money paid in advance for goods or services. Now that we've classified this income as a prepayment, it's time to enter the details of the prepayment. Here, you'll need to fill in all relevant fields, such as the amount received, who the payment is from, and any references or descriptions that pertain to the transaction. This step ensures that everything is documented precisely and provides clarity both for your records and any future reconciling. After entering all the necessary information associated with the prepayment, review what you've entered once more for accuracy. A final quick check helps catch any minor errors before they become record-keeping headaches down the road. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully entered a prepayment in Xero. This process, though straightforward, is vital for maintaining transparent financial records. By consistently updating your transactions in this manner, you'll ensure smooth sailing when it's time to reconcile your accounts or provide financial reports. With practice, these steps will become second nature, and you'll be managing prepayments in Xero effortlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy accounting!